Now let's add an image to our post. There are a few different ways to add images to WordPress blog posts or pages. The first way is to link to a picture already on the web. I'm going to find the place I want to add a picture to and click here. I've opened a new tab on my browser that has a Flickr picture available. When you're using images from the web, the main thing to remember is that you need to find the link to the actual photograph. In Flickr, this isn't so easy all the time. You can usually click all sizes and then find the size that you want, let's say medium, and if you right click you can choose view image, and now I have a JPEG, the actual link to the actual file. I'm going to copy paste this URL, return to my blog post. I have a place here already where I want to add my image. Here's an image I linked to from Flickr. I'm going to click this Add Media, Add an Image icon, and I'm going to choose From a URL. I'm going to paste my URL, give it a title, leave my alignment set to none, and click Insert into Post. My image appears. I can save the draft and preview it if I like. There's my image. I'm going to close this tab, return to editing my blog post. Now what if I have an image already on my hard drive that I want to add? I'm going to try to add one right here. I would find the place I want to add the image to, click Add an Image, make sure From My Computer is selected, select the file, look for the picture on my computer. We'll use this blog tips image. It uploads. Now I can see it. From this point I can choose Insert into Post, choose to change its size, large, medium, small. And I can also choose left, center, or right. Let me just insert it first. So here's my image. I've uploaded it into the website. Let's say at this point I'm not entirely happy with the way this image is sitting here. If I save draft and click preview, I can see that this image is small and just setting to the side. It'd actually be nice to wrap some text around it. Maybe I'll put it up at the top instead. I'm going to return to editing my post. Scroll down and find my image. If I click on the image, WordPress gives me an option to click on an edit image icon. I'm going to click on this icon. And it takes me to some editing features. I'm going to choose to align this to the left. WordPress shows me a preview of what this looks like. I'm going to also click Advanced Settings, and I'm going to give this some horizontal space of about 5 pixels, which is going to give me a little bit of a buffer between my text and my image. Then I'm going to click Update. You notice that all the text just wrapped around my image. Let's say I don't really want this image here at all, and I want it up at the top. I'm going to delete this text here. I'm going to click on the picture, and then I'm going to just simply drag this image. And then I'm going to drag this image up. I'm going to click on it again and drag it up. You'll notice my cursor is blinking underneath the image. And I'm going to drag it all the way to the top. Let it go. Now I have my image with the text wrapping to the right. I'm going to save draft and click preview. Now I have my text wrapping. If I want to add a little more buffer, I can go back and fix this too. Click on the image, click on Edit, click on Advanced Features. Maybe let's make this 10. Window, click Update. If I want to make the image link to some other site, I can click Edit Image, Link URL, and change this URL to anything I want it to link to. Update. Save draft and preview.